Okay, so what's going on in the weather? It really was a pool day this morning, but then the clouds rolled in this afternoon.
Yeah, Sean's got the latest and our next chance for some rain, too. Hi, Sean.
Yeah, maybe even a few strong rumbles of thunder overnight tonight. Those clouds, however, way more bark than bite. You can see here, live Doppler 13 radar, nice clean sweep. You see the lightning counter, however. Those storms are way to the north and northwest of us for the time being. So again, the bottom line here, you're going to have plenty of dry hours if you just got home from work and you want to get outside and enjoy. Toasty for sure. Yeah, 84 Marion, Indianapolis at 85, pushing 90 in Seymour and Logansport. We're not officially there, but when you factor in the muggy air, yeah, it feels like it. And we got low to mid 90s on the heat index around central Indiana. And we've got a big time breeze too. 85 in the city, southwest wind at 16. We got dew point numbers in the 70s. So that's at least a little fuel to add to the storm possibility overnight tonight. Average highs 84. We hit 86 today here in the city. And believe it or not, very wet June. You know that. But when you take the year in total, we're actually close to 2 inches below normal. But for the month, we're about 2.5 inches above, and we will tack on some additional rain here over the next couple of days, the way it's shaping up right now. Again, we expand the radar, a couple of clusters of storms, one bypassing us to the north. We focus on northwest Illinois and eastern Iowa. Those storms are beginning to form right now, and they eventually will work down the pike and make it into central Indiana. The question mark is how far south and what kind of condition are they going to be in when they arrive here. They could weaken a little bit. Right now, the highlighted area for the greatest possibility of severe weather includes Kokomo, Peru, Delphi, Monticello, as well as Lebanon over toward Crawfordsville, Attica, Fowler, and Lafayette. There still is the risk for the metro area. We can't necessarily take that off the table yet. This is what we're thinking here. Damaging wind for the city is about a 15% probability. Low tornado threshold, a little higher to the northwest. But right now it looks to be more of a linear thing that's going to come through, and that usually poses more of a wind threat. So severe storms certainly a possibility. The timing right now looks to be after 10 p.m. and prior to sunrise tomorrow morning. Damaging wind, the main threat, but we're not going to rule out a tornado with this. And again, the question mark, how far south will these impacts make it? Get out and enjoy this evening. We'll keep it generally rain-free. I'm not going to rule out a stray shower popping up, but it does appear the better chances will be later tonight. This is the latest run, and we'll just kind of have to wait and see how this complex will hold together. Okay, so this is by 1 in the morning, could arrive a little bit earlier. And just like Saturday night, it will have the wind potential. This is by 2 a.m. And then I think by the time a lot of you folks wake up tomorrow morning, this is going to be long gone. And much of tomorrow is going to be a pretty decent day. We have to get through a cloudy start, maybe some showers in the morning. We'll have to wait on this front, but I think we finished this time tomorrow with a pretty good dose of sunshine, and eventually that northwest wind will do its job and dry out the air. And then once we get through tomorrow, Wednesday looks like it's a pretty decent day. And then we're back to more storm chances Wednesday night into Thursday, and some of those could be on the strong to severe side as well. So kind of an active stretch run here, and eventually this pattern is going to change. Notice the daytime highs will go from the middle 80s, stormy at times on Thursday as well as Friday, and then we're going to have several days where highs will actually be below normal and be in the 70s. For now, it looks like Sunday will be the better of the 2 days this week.